Well, I am Akshay and I handle physics in Madinappa High School. And my overall experience was fantastic, I must say. And overall, the vibe here is so good. We get energized by looking the mentors here. Like, yeah, I had a very good opportunity with Satyanand sir as well as Turki sir. And as one of the important aspects here who are teaching high school and K-12 is that you have to always have a hands-on experience in regarding everything, because children are here every time they are they have questions regarding what to do at one particular time. And one problem I face in my lab sometimes is that we do not have the exact material in the experiment given to us. So here, the mentors here told me many other substitutes and what to do at a point of time when you don't have that particular material. So that is, I think, fascinating thing, I must say. And overall, I like the experience quite a bit, and I will suggest them again and again. If possible, I'll come again here again. So yeah, that is my review for this one.